Did you know that over 70% of the world's space launches are controlled by just 5 countries, and the United States is leading the charge with its ambitious space exploration programs? With NASA at the forefront, the country is pushing the boundaries of space travel and discoveries. In fact, NASA's latest collaboration with a private company, All Points, is set to revolutionize the space industry with a massive 200-foot-tall spacecraft complex at the Kennedy Space Center. This massive complex is the result of a significant lease agreement between All Points and NASA, marking a new era in public-private partnerships for space exploration. As we delve into the details of this project, you'll learn about the significance of this collaboration, the potential impact on space travel, and the innovative technologies that will be developed at this cutting-edge facility. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the exciting advancements in space exploration and the crucial role that NASA and private companies like All Points are playing in shaping the future of space travel. As we explore the details of this project, it's essential to understand the context of the space industry and the growing trend of public-private partnerships. In recent years, NASA has been actively seeking collaborations with private companies to accelerate space exploration and development. This approach has led to numerous breakthroughs, including the development of reusable rockets and spacecraft. The partnership between All Points and NASA is a prime example of this collaborative approach, and it's expected to yield significant benefits for both parties. With All Points' expertise in engineering and construction, and NASA's vast experience in space exploration, this collaboration has the potential to drive innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible in space travel. Now, let's take a closer look at the spacecraft complex that All Points is building at the Kennedy Space Center. This 200-foot-tall facility will serve as a hub for spacecraft manufacturing, testing, and launch operations. The complex will be equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including advanced propulsion systems, life support systems, and navigation systems. The facility will also have a large clean room for assembling and testing spacecraft, as well as a launch pad for sending spacecraft into orbit. With this cutting-edge infrastructure, All Points and NASA will be able to develop and launch a wide range of spacecraft, from small satellites to large crewed vehicles. As we explore the capabilities of this spacecraft complex, it's worth noting that the partnership between All Points and NASA is not just about building a new facility, it's about driving innovation and advancing the state-of-the-art in space technology. The complex will serve as a hub for research and development, with scientists and engineers from both All Points and NASA working together to develop new technologies and solve complex problems. This collaborative approach will enable the development of more efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective space systems, which will be critical for future deep space missions. Moving forward, let's examine the potential impact of this spacecraft complex on the space industry. With the ability to manufacture, test, and launch spacecraft on a large scale, the complex will help to reduce the cost and increase the efficiency of space missions. This, in turn, will make space travel more accessible to a wider range of organizations and individuals, from governments and corporations to universities and private citizens. The complex will also create new opportunities for scientific research and discovery, enabling scientists to conduct experiments and gather data in space more easily and affordably. As the space industry continues to grow and evolve, the spacecraft complex at the Kennedy Space Center will play a vital role in driving innovation and advancing our understanding of the universe. In addition to its technical capabilities, the spacecraft complex will also have a significant economic impact on the region. The construction of the facility is expected to create hundreds of jobs, both directly and indirectly, and will stimulate local economic growth. The complex will also attract new businesses and investments to the area, as companies seek to capitalize on the opportunities presented by the growing space industry. As the space industry continues to expand, the spacecraft complex will serve as a hub for economic activity, driving growth and development in the region. Now, let's talk about the role of NASA in this partnership and the significance of the Kennedy Space Center as a launch site. NASA has a long history of pushing the boundaries of space exploration, from the Apollo missions to the International Space Station. The agency's experience and expertise in space travel are unparalleled, and its collaboration with All Points is a testament to its commitment to advancing the field. The Kennedy Space Center, in particular, has played a critical role in many of NASA's most historic missions, including the Apollo 11 moon landing. With its unique combination of launch pads, test facilities, and support infrastructure, the Kennedy Space Center is the ideal location for the spacecraft complex. As we explore the history of the Kennedy Space Center, it's worth noting that the facility has undergone significant transformations over the years. From its early days as a launch site for military rockets to its current role as a hub for commercial spaceflight, the center has continually evolved to meet the changing needs of the space industry. The partnership between All Points and NASA is the latest chapter in this story, and it's expected to drive significant growth and development in the region. With the spacecraft complex, the Kennedy Space Center will continue to play a vital role in the space industry, supporting a wide range of missions and activities. In terms of the technical capabilities of the spacecraft complex, it's worth noting that the facility will be equipped with a wide range of advanced systems and technologies. These will include state-of-the-art propulsion systems, life support systems, and navigation systems, as well as advanced materials and manufacturing techniques. The complex will also have a large clean room for assembling and testing spacecraft, as well as a launch pad for sending spacecraft into orbit. With these capabilities, All Points and NASA will be able to develop and launch a wide range of spacecraft, from small satellites to large crewed vehicles. As we delve deeper into the technical aspects of the spacecraft complex, it's essential to understand the role of materials science in space exploration. The development of advanced materials with unique properties is critical for building spacecraft that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. From lightweight composites to radiation-resistant alloys, the materials used in spacecraft construction must be carefully selected and designed to ensure the safety and reliability of the vehicle. The partnership between All Points and NASA will drive innovation in materials science, enabling the development of new materials and technologies that will be critical for future space missions. Now, let's talk about the potential applications of the spacecraft complex and the types of missions that it will support. The facility will be capable of producing a wide range of spacecraft, from small satellites for Earth observation and communication to large crewed vehicles for deep space missions. The complex will also support the development of new technologies, such as advanced propulsion systems and life support systems, which will be critical for future space travel. With its cutting-edge infrastructure and collaborative approach, the spacecraft complex will play a vital role in advancing our understanding of the universe and expanding our presence in space. As we explore the potential applications of the spacecraft complex, it's worth noting that the facility will also support a wide range of scientific research and discovery. From astronomy and astrophysics to planetary science and biology, the complex will enable scientists to conduct experiments and gather data in space more easily and affordably. The facility will also support the development of new technologies, such as advanced telescopes and sensors, which will be critical for future space missions. With its unique combination of technical capabilities and collaborative approach, the spacecraft complex will drive innovation and advancement in a wide range of scientific fields. In conclusion, the partnership between All Points and NASA is a significant milestone in the history of space exploration. The 200-foot-tall spacecraft complex at the Kennedy Space Center will serve as a hub for innovation and advancement, driving the development of new technologies and supporting a wide range of missions and activities. As we look to the future of space travel, it's clear that collaborations like this will be critical for advancing our understanding of the universe and expanding our presence in space. So, let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible and explore the vast expanse of space with curiosity and determination. As we reflect on the significance of this partnership, it's essential to recognize the role that private companies like All Points are playing in advancing the space industry. By collaborating with NASA and other government agencies, these companies are driving innovation and reducing the cost of space travel. The spacecraft complex at the Kennedy Space Center is a prime example of this collaborative approach, and it's expected to yield significant benefits for both parties. With its unique combination of technical capabilities and business expertise, All Points is well positioned to support the growth and development of the space industry. Now, let's talk about the future of space exploration and the role that the spacecraft complex will play in it. As we look to the next decade and beyond, it's clear that space travel will continue to evolve and expand. The spacecraft complex at the Kennedy Space Center will be at the forefront of this evolution, supporting a wide range of missions and activities. From lunar and Mars exploration to asteroid mining and space tourism, the complex will enable the development of new technologies and capabilities that will be critical for future space travel. With its cutting-edge infrastructure and collaborative approach, the spacecraft complex will drive innovation and advancement in the space industry, paving the way for a new era of space exploration and discovery. As we look to the future, it's essential to recognize the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The space industry is rapidly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. The partnership between All Points and NASA is a significant step forward, but it's just the beginning. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in space travel, we'll need to address a wide range of challenges, from sustainability and environmental impact to safety and regulation. By working together and collaborating on innovative solutions, we can overcome these challenges and create a brighter future for space exploration. In the end, the spacecraft complex at the Kennedy Space Center is more than just a facility, it's a symbol of what can be achieved through collaboration and innovation. It's a reminder that the boundaries of space travel are limitless, and that with determination and curiosity, we can achieve greatness. So, let's continue to explore, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. The future of space travel is bright, and it's up to us to make it happen. If you're as excited as I am about the future of space exploration, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on NASA discoveries and space travel. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation about the latest developments in the space industry.